I can cut all of this stuff out, so literally I have a direct injection from my head straight to the instrument, and whatever I'm feeling I'm able to control the seaboard, and it's just natural. It's like it's a part of my body.
I've been playing on the seaboard for a few weeks now, and already it's feeling completely natural and intuitive. Now whenever I get back onto the piano, it feels like something's missing. I miss the sensitivity of the seaboard.
I mean, this is going to be a groundbreaking leader in its class. There's absolutely, literally nothing like this. So for expression, I don't think there's anything can beat it.
There's a whole bunch of professional musicians, producers, composers, where we straight away get excited at new instruments. But what tends to let us down is the responsiveness of those instruments. And so by that I mean, how much are you locked down to just a small set of parameters that the instrument provides, or how much potential does that have to change as my tastes may change in the future. I think I just need to almost forget that I'm a piano player and actually to really unlock the potential of this. I think it's a shame that if I just try and create what I would try and create in a keyboard, I think you can do that, but I think you can do plenty more, which is for me what's exciting.
So you see a little bit about the seaboard. I've started a company called C Labs, and we've been fortunate enough to win several grants from the Technology Strategy Board to develop the technology, and we've closed our first round of finance, and so we're actually going to be going into production with the seaboard within a year. But meanwhile, we're also doing R&D activities to develop these kinds of soft, information-rich, highly precise, pressure-sensitive interfaces in other directions. So maybe some of them will be in a more typical computing environment. And we're also looking at other forms of like haptic feedback and visual feedback that we can run through this new typology. And one thing that's nice about it is it feels very organic. And a kind of point of research interest for me is that not just that the form factor of current computing is based on an older technology, but rather that also some of the kind of industrial design